Alexa, stop. Good morning. Yes, it's one of those days where I have to wake up super early. This time around I'm not going to be heading towards the overseas, but I'm going to be heading towards Johor for the special live unboxing I'm going to do with this camera, which is the Osmo Action. I'm going to be heading to JB for today. The Facebook Live will be at approximately 3 p.m. and then we'll be heading towards Lao Yan tomorrow in KL to do the live unboxing of the Osmo Action. Now my first impressions of the camera so far, it has been great. Now I've been testing out during at night. Actually technically it's not at night, it's actually right early in the morning. It was raining, so I got some nice night rain shots. I'm sure you guys just saw. And I'm gonna be having my quick coffee over here. Coffee bean, because there's no cafes here. Life is too short to have bad coffee, but if you really have no choice, just have it. As long as there's caffeine in my system. I'm going to be heading towards the boarding gate in about 10 more minutes time, so I still do have time for coffee, and I'll catch you guys there. Does that look like coffee? Look properly again. Huh? Huh? Because it's not. I'm already at the boarding gate, so I can't go back there and change it. I only realized it when I was having it here at the boarding gate. So not only that Starbucks and Coffee Bean has horrible coffee, but now their services is actually quite questionable. Alright, finally reached in Johor Bahru City at Senai Airport, and the first thing I need to do is of course to go and find for a place which has coffee, but unfortunately I think it's too early for that. It's about only 8:36. So I'm actually walking outside the airport because I saw there's McDonald's and McCafe just opposite the airport. As much as I love latte, but I think this is the closest that I can get to a good coffee, and I'm gonna get a black instead. Speaking of which, the HDR on this is pretty amazing. You can see that the skies is pretty much blue, and this is not color graded, it's coming straight out of the camera. So it's pretty amazing though. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Of course, this is through the backlight, where usually most cameras are right now, when it comes to backlight, my face will be completely dark. But it's not the case for the DJI Osmo Action. But of course, when I turn it back, that's where, since I'm looking towards the light, you can see the amount of details for the 4K 30 frames per second is amazing. The sky, as I mentioned, is pretty blue, so very nice quality for my view. Let me know what you guys think. Oh yes. Oh yes. Coffee. Food. So I've asked you guys on Instagram to give me a decision whether or not I should head to Legoland or just chill and have a nice, maybe like a massage session. And you guys voted for me to go to Legoland. It was a tough competition between both of the choices. A lot of my closer friends actually recommended for me to go and chill and have a massage. I guess because they know how much of work I do. But a lot of the followers and my subscribers for Adam Lobo TV really wanted me to go to Legoland. I guess because they can actually check out a place, which I will definitely do in this video. So I'll see you guys in Legoland.
Shawty, I'm gonna get ya. You know I'm gonna get ya. You know I'll even let you be my chapter. Yes, I sharmana aaja nachke dikhane.
Meet the Lego version of Snorlax after snoring. Anyways, I am done. Within 3 hours or so I was here. My conclusion of the place is that I highly recommend this place for those of you who have kids. It's a definite must place for you guys to come if you guys have kids. But when it comes to the adults like me, for example, I came here alone. I'm cool going to places alone, so that's fine. But there's only a few things that I would recommend going as an adult, like heading towards the Star Wars stuff, the Dragon Ninjago, the Ninjago ones. That is all fine. The merchandise is great. My only gripe about the place is that there is not a full-fledged Star Wars Lego set, and also especially Batman, because even there's a Batman Lego, but there was no Batman ride. I'm not a fan of Batman. I'm sure you guys know that I'm a fan of Joker, but there was nothing really emphasized on that. Overall, whether or not it's worth the money as an adult, maybe not, but as a parent, I would highly recommend this place for you guys to bring your children to come and check out Legoland. And I'll see you at the venue. Gonna be heading there after Makan, so I'll catch you guys there. Alright, all done with the whole entire unboxing and also my first impressions. For those of you who were here at the DJI authorized reseller here in Johor, thank you so much for coming down. And of course, I can't wait to also do the similar unboxing and the first impressions that I do right here for tomorrow in Loyang Plaza. And of course, a huge shout out goes out to VSTECS in Berhad for actually also getting me to be on board with this amazing session of the unboxing and also the first impressions video. I'm going to be doing a full review, so stay tuned for that. But let me know what you guys think of the overall quality of the Osmo Action. For me, so far, it has been great. But of course, I'm going to do a full video review together with the unboxing on Adam Lobo TV. So if you like this video, be sure to give this video a nice big thumbs up. Like, share and subscribe to Adam Lobo TV. If you haven't done so, don't forget to hit the bell icon just next to it to get notified for my future videos. Thank you so much for watching. This is Adam Lobo and I'll catch you guys in the next video.